So tell me, shall we go with this topic, newspaper, or any other topic which you would like to discuss?
Okay, I'm ready for the topic what has been given by English Yari.
Okay, okay. So do you read newspapers daily or
Yeah, I read
sometimes?
newspaper daily. I read the Hindu newspaper daily.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
are you able to finish that newspaper in yeah, like in that day itself because it is really quiet, it has a lot of information, a lot of things
Yeah,
to look at.
yeah, you're right. But I used to give 1 hour, and in 1 hour, I try to complete the whole newspaper. Especially, I try to read the articles, and apart from that, if I get some important news, then I read the whole news. After that, I just read the headlines and I let it go.
Okay, okay. So do you read
Yeah,
the editorial part as well?
yeah,
Editorial
yeah,
page?
yeah. I tried to read whole editorial because I like the
Oh,
most. Yeah,
okay, okay. They have something related to, they created in a story form, so that's really interesting.
yeah. Actually, I won't say that it's a story. Actually, it has been written by some writer or by some special person. Okay, that's
Yeah,
why the articles are really well. Okay,
yes,
in
yes,
the article we may find some great ideas, and it will
yes,
help in our life. That's why.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Do
right.
you read newspaper?
No, I don't get that time to read newspaper because I'm already, I have a lot of things to do. So I just have downloaded that app in Shorts on my phone. It gives,
Okay.
a summary of all
Yeah,
the
yeah.
news.
I have also the same app.
Yeah, I go whenever I get time, whether 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I scroll through that.
Yeah, yeah.
So since when are you reading newspaper on a daily basis?
Yeah, I actually I had started reading newspaper 2 years 2 years ago. Okay, before lockdown.
Okay,
Actually, I
okay,
had taken the newspaper, the Telegraph newspaper for 6 months before the lockdown. Okay, and suddenly lockdown happened, and after that I stopped taking newspaper physically, and then I started
okay,
reading the newspaper as a PDF, and now still now I read the newspaper in PDF.
okay, okay. So do you make notes? Let me ask, like since 2 years you are reading, so has there any day when you have skipped reading newspaper, or you are reading continuously from that day,
Yeah,
from two
actually, I
years?
have never escaped, but sometimes I don't get time. Then that's why sometimes I couldn't read. But generally, I read newspaper daily.
Okay, okay, daily, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So do you make notes also out of Hindu?
Actually, I don't make any notes, but I try to note down the word which is really important and which are used in our daily life, right? And I don't means make any notes because I used to watch a current affairs video daily from YouTube. Okay,
Okay, okay. So yeah, that
yeah,
gives you a summary of the entire newspaper.
and I don't like the local newspaper because in local newspaper you may find only the local news, which is not important for your examination or for anything.
And we have, a lot of irrelevant news also on
Hmm.
in the local newspapers. Like we have a society function going on in this area, and
Hmm.
these small, topics which are of no use for
Hmm.
the competitive purpose or for any even in general we don't require these type of news. So even
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't like the local newspaper.
yeah. That's why.
Yeah. Okay. And what type of news from the Hindu, you like the most? Like the entertainment part, the sports part, or the state news, or the national news, world news? What type of news you like the most?
Yeah. Actually, I like the national news most. Okay. Yeah. what news are given in the front page. Okay, I try to read whole news. And apart from that, I skip some news which are given in the other page. Okay. And if I get any important news, then I read. And I try to read the editorial part, as I told. And apart from that, I if I get some important news in sport portion, okay, then I read. Otherwise, I skip the sport page also.
What, according to you, is the importance of newspaper in every person's life? Like, if I were to ask you that, how can you influence people to read newspaper? So what would you answer in that? So that the other people, get curious about reading the newspaper and are so much motivated by your answer that the next day itself they start reading newspaper. So what would be that answer?
Yeah, actually, as we know that newspaper is very important for us because we get the news, the current news from the newspaper. Actually, we can get the news from any app or anywhere, but I think that the news are not genuine. They may be fake news. That's why we shouldn't believe so much the other news. We should believe in only the newspaper. That's why, and if someone reads newspaper, that means they have the knowledge what is going around the world. That's
Yeah,
why we should read newspaper. As we know that some issue is going in Afghanistan. Okay, so we know because of that we have read the news in newspaper. Actually, the news are given in many shows or like news channel. Okay, but what happens in news channel that they repeat only a single news for a whole day. Okay, just
yeah.
they try to waste your time. That's why I would like to prefer newspaper to another sources.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. You mentioned this point that the television in the television we see the same news again and again for the entire day, and sometimes it happens that for 2 3 days the same news pops up on the
Hmm.
television. You told me you like newspapers more than the televisions. So tell me one thing, which forces you, which compels you to read newspaper daily, which you like the most about newspapers, and that you are in habit of reading newspapers regularly. One quality basically of newspapers.
Yeah, because the thing is that if we read any newspaper, so it depends on us that what news should we read and what news we shouldn't read. Okay,
Yeah,
but if we watch the any news channel, then it is not in our hand. We can watch the only news what they are showing.
yeah,
Yeah,
right.
that's why that is the main reason. And apart from that, in newspaper there are so many news, but in
Yeah,
TV channel there are some certain news that are shown. That's why,
right, right.
yeah.
Right. Okay. So we basically we have the remote control over the newspaper.
Mm,
Whatever page we want to read, we can just scroll through that page.
yeah. And apart from that, if we read the newspaper daily, then we can
Yes.
find some new words, or we can find some new things in newspaper that can help in our life. And
Right.
it will enhance the power of reading. If someone
Right.
reads
Right.
newspaper, then I'm sure that in some days he will be able to read anything in a very short time. They don't need to read word by word. If we read newspaper, then we can get some ideas that how should we live our life, because in
Right.
newspaper we can find so many celebrities. They give their statement, and there are some specialists like doctors or scientists or anybody. So they give their opinion in newspaper. So that's why these are the things that can help us.
Right. Right. Because yeah, if we get to know about the negatives of some other person, then we can avoid get having those negatives in ourselves. Like if we
Hmm.
see a celebrity if we see a celebrity committing a mistake in his life, committing a fault, then we'll try. If we read about that article, then surely we will also try that we don't make that mistake in our lives.
Sometimes the newspaper, I mean, motivates us, right?
Yes,
Sometimes they feels energy in us, and
right.
sometimes they get ideas that like how can we be fit, how can we remain fit. And when the corona was in peak, that time just they were spreading the awareness that how can we protect from the corona, right? So
Yeah,
these are the things
yeah.
that by reading the newspaper we can get.
Right, right, right. Because we get a lot of solutions to our problems while reading newspaper, like how we should live our life and what all things we can do to improve ourselves. And I would like to add one more thing to the advantages of newspaper. Like as you mentioned, it enhances our reading power. Secondly,
Hmm.
it gives us, a new way of representing our sentences. It
Hmm.
helps us in improving our writing skills. It gives
Hmm.
us a lot of words which we can use in our day-to-day life, right?
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay, tell me one thing. Since you mentioned that you read the Hindu,
Hmm.
what differentiates Hindu and the other newspaper? What makes Hindu special uh,
Hmm.
from other newspapers? Tell me about that.
Yeah, yeah. The Hindu newspaper means we can find the article or any news clearly, right? But as
Right.
I think there the font what is used in the Hindu is very different the font which is used in other newspaper. Okay, so
Right, right.
so yeah, it is the main thing. And the another thing is that in newspaper we don't get so many ad in the means news section. Okay, there are if there are some ads, then it is in some special page, right? But if we
Right.
read any other newspaper, then we will get one or two news. Then after that, we can get the whole paper, whole page is loaded with the ad. The language which is used in the Hindu is very formal, as I think.
Hmm.
I like the Hindu newspaper most. Yeah.
It has all the relevant informations only.
Mm.
It doesn't cover irrelevant or the useless news, the Hindu. Other
Yeah.
newspapers have a lot of information which is of no use, because
Yeah.
basically these newspapers are referred by the students only who are preparing for some competitive exams, or who want to improve with their general knowledge. So Hindu,
Mm.
I feel that Hindu is the best for that.
Yeah.
And when we get a news about a certain topic, it gives us the earlier events also. It explains the earlier important events also, like Afghanistan you told me. So there was no other newspapers won't cover it that Russian force was earlier in
Mm.
Afghanistan, but the Hindu newspaper covered it because it felt, because the editors of the Hindu newspaper felt that it is important for the learners, for the readers to actually know the history events also. So that is so
Yeah.
special about Hindu. It covers all the points from history till the present
Yeah.
when the
Yeah.
event is occurring.
Yeah. 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 You're right.
Yeah,
Mm.
right.
The
Okay.
Russia had removed his force in 1990. Okay, and
Yeah,
after that, the USA imposed their force in Afghanistan.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So newspaper is really helping you a lot. I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So with this, we come to the end of our session today for today.
Okay.
Okay, so do you
Okay.
have any doubts or queries?
No, no, I don't have any doubt.
Okay, hope you liked today's session. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.